Emotional validation does not replace respect and kindness for others. Your child can feel frustrated, overwhelmed, or upset and still be expected to speak respectfully, cooperate, and be considerate of others, including family members. Granted, this is not going to happen 100% of the time, but that doesn't mean we shouldn't have an expectation in place. Emotions help us understand behavior. They do not justify hurting others or being unkind. Kids with ADHD need to learn social responsibility. That means understanding how their words and actions affect the people around them. This is a skill all kids have to learn, and it can take longer for kids with ADHD to learn. Making amends when they have hurt someone, even when emotions are strong. I call that cleanups, and it's a strategy I teach in my parent behavior training programs. You can acknowledge how hard something feels and still guide respectful behavior in the moment. That's not being harsh. That is how kids learn to function in families, classrooms, and friendships. Supporting kids emotionally matters. Teaching respect and kindness towards others is what prepares them for life outside your home and helps them to be successful in relationships. Thanks for watching.